Hello JKSSB aspirants. Today we would be doing some MCQs on modals. Now what are modals? Modals are your secondary auxiliary verbs. There are different types of modals. ये 50 MCQs जो हम करेंगे. I have tried to cover almost all the modals, not all but yes the one which are frequently asked. So pay attention and go through these 50 questions. It's surely gonna help you. First one, you dash not bring the child here. Not is used in the sentence. The moment it is not, the sentence becomes negative. जब नेगेटिव है तो हम किसी चीज़ को वो दिखा रहे कि जो चीज़ नेसेसरी नहीं है. Something which is not necessary is always used with need. So you need not bring the child here. Dash you live long. Second one, dash you live long and an exclamation mark. When an exclamation mark is there, it shows feeling. Express the feeling. So here it is used as a blessing, and blessing is always accompanied with the auxiliary verb may. So may you live long. Whenever exclamation mark is there, it denotes feeling. May is always used. Not only used, may can be used to express your feeling or to give someone blessing. One more thing, whenever we give blessing, it always takes singular form. Okay, like may you live longer, may he aayega, then also the concept is same. Third one also holds the same concept. Third one says dash God help you. Again, it is a wish. It is a state of expression. So again, may God help you. Fourth, dash that I were a leader. See here, one word is there, one auxiliary verb is there, were. Were here it is used in the sense of imagination. Like if I say if I were the Prime Minister of India. आई के साथ हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? देखो आई के साथ हमेशा हम यूज़ करते हैं was. But there are few cases wherein आई के साथ हम यूज़ करते हैं were. Now what are those cases? What is that? The only case whenever you are making an imagination. That means I see I'm writing here I plus were. Whenever you are using I along with were, it shows your imagination. Okay, imagination. So here whenever there is an imagination, it is always accompanied by the auxiliary verb would. Would that I were a leader. Just because were is there, आप यहाँ पे would लगाओगे. Fifth one, it dash be 10 o'clock now. Here it should be 10 o'clock now. Why not would? It would be 10 o'clock now. Should का use कहाँ होता है? Should is used in two ways. One is to give advice. The one is to give advice. अब यहाँ पे हम advice तो दे नहीं रहे हैं. Second, it is used to give recommendation. So whenever you are recommending something, किसी को recommend करना, वहाँ पे आप should use करते हो. So that holds the reason why we have gone for should. It should be 10 o'clock now. Sixth, he dash have reached the station by now. It is a sentence of simple future, and simple future will, shall, would में से एक लगता है. Since there is a certainty in the sentence, so we will use will. He will have reached the station by now. Seventh, being a receptionist, she will dash type a letter. Now when such type of sentences are asked, being a receptionist means कोई भी ऐसी चीज़ जो आपके ड्यूटी के दायरे में आती है, something which is in the frame of your work, have to, वहाँ पे हम यूज़ करते हैं have to. Being a receptionist, she will have to type a letter. Eighth, the birds dash fly high in the sky. In this sentence we are talking about the ability. So the birds, whenever we are talking about the ability, we use can. The birds can fly high in the sky. Can हम कहाँ पे use करते हैं? Can is used always for ability. Ability is I can lift this chair, I can speak English. So ऐसे cases में हम can use करते हैं. 9th, dash I open the main gate. Again there is a recommendation. Whenever recommend, आप किसी को एक सुझाव दे रहे हो, the moment you are recommending something, you use the word should. So should I open the main gate? 10th, if you played well, we dash win the match. This pattern is also asked many a times. If you played well, ऐसे sentences में हमेशा we go for would. If you played well, we would win the match. एक condition डाली, अगर ऐसा होगा तो वैसा होगा. So it will be would. There is no certainty. Therefore we cannot use the word will. We would be using would. 11th, I think dash not mind my reciting the poem. Here I think dash not mind my should नहीं आ सकता. I think you should not mind. No, this is not an advice. कोई recommendation भी नहीं है. Could can also not be there. Would can also, yes, would can be there. I think you would not mind my reciting the poem loudly. May also we cannot use here. So we'll go for D. 12th, dash I sit here for some time. Somebody is asking for permission. अब जब permission के लिए पूछा जा रहा है तो can आएगा. Can I sit here for some time? Shall cannot be there because in this sentence we are taking permission. We are seeking permission. Whenever we seek permission, we either use can or may. अब कहाँ पे can और कहाँ पे may use करते हैं हम? See, can is always used in an informal way. May is always used in a formal way. If you are seeking permission from your teacher, आप may use करते हो, teacher, elders. And if you are taking permission from your friend, a person who is very close to you, उनके साथ जिसके साथ आपकी कोई formality नहीं है, there you use can. So 12th, can I sit here for some time? 13th, you dash take the child to an intelligent doctor. This is a moral responsibility. Nobody will tell you. If somebody is ill, कोई आपको आके तो नहीं बताता है कि आप ऐसा करो, आप कोई advice नहीं है. Something which is obligation, कोई ऐसी चीज़ जो आपको और कोई भी होगा आपकी जगह वो ऐसा ही करेगा. In such places we use ought to. So you ought to take the child to an intelligent doctor. Where do we use ought to? Ought to is used जहाँ पे nobody comes, like should में क्या होता है? Should में कोई हमें आके बताता है कि आप ऐसा करो, आप वैसा करो. But ought to में क्या है? Nobody tells you. It is your understanding. You learn from the surrounding. आप देखते हो, आप सीखते हो, and any other normal person who would have been at your place also would have done the same thing. So ought to. 14th, she dashed the smoke in those days. We have a keyword here, those days. उन दिनों में. So ऐसे cases में हम क्या use करते हैं? Used to use करते हैं. She used to smoke in those days. Used to कहाँ पे use होता है? Used to हम ऐसी जगह use करते. Any activity which you practiced in the past but no longer you are practicing it now. आप कोई भी काम जो पहले करते थे अब नहीं करते हो, वहाँ पे आप लगाओगे used to. 15th, if I were you. अब जैसे मैंने आपको ये पहले बताया, वर हम यूज़ यहाँ पे इमेजिनेशन के लिए कर रहे हैं. ऐसे सेंटेंसेस में just close your eyes and go for the option would. If I were you, I would not attend the meeting. 16th, you dash submit your file to the authorities within a week. See here, you have to add to. यहाँ पे there is a slight mistake. यहाँ पे to आना चाहिए. You dash to submit your file to the authorities within a week. Again, कोई चीज़ which is mandatory वहाँ पे आप use करते हो have. You have to submit your file to the authorities within a week. See, have is just a small substitute of must. यहाँ पे आप must भी लगा सकते थे, but since must is not there, so we'll go for have. 17. Dash I use your phone. Here we'll go for the options. यहाँ पे can आ सकता था, but since can is not there, so here it will be have I used your phone? No, we cannot use it. B. Could I use your phone? Yes, we can go for this. Would I use your phone? No. Had I used your phone? No. So could. Why could? Could is used for polite request. Whenever you are making any request that too politely, तो वहाँ पे आप could और would दोनों लगाते हो. The most suitable one is could here, so it has to be could I use your phone. 18. Dash you give me your pen. You're asking a person to give his pen. Okay, so here it will be can because it is informal in nature. Can you give me your pen? Now we'll go for 19th one. There dash be an hospital at this place. Again anything which was there in the past. कोई भी काम जो past में होता था अब नहीं होता है. In such sentences हम लगाते हैं used to. So there used to be an hospital at this place. Any activity, any work, anything which was done earlier but you are not doing it now. So there you'd be using used to. 20th. He dash read and write when he was young. He dash read and write. Can नहीं आ सकता. We are talking about the past here. So he could read and write when he was young. He would नहीं आ सकता. Should भी नहीं आ सकता. Can भी नहीं आ सकता. So we'll go for could. 21st. He said that he dash sing a song at the party. Now here he should sing a no. There is no advice, so should नहीं आ सकता. Would, he would sing a song. Definitely it can come. He can sing a song. No, he will sing a song. Why will? Why not? Why would? Why not will? There is no certainty. He is just saying कि वो ऐसा करेगा. So he would sing a song at the party. 22nd. She asked if he dash her, help her. Here either it could be could or would, but if we look into the option could है ही नहीं, so we'll go for would. She asked if he would help her. Must आ नहीं सकता. Must is generally used with rules and regulations. कोई भी ऐसी चीज़ जिसको आप ना नहीं कर सकते. You do not have any option to say no. You have to abide. There you use must. 23rd. We dash our respect our elders. In such sentences, कोई भी ऐसी चीज़ which you are learning from your surrounding, there you are supposed to use ought to. ought to हमेशा obligation के लिए use होता है. Obligation in the sense that किसी ने आप पे impose नहीं किया. It is your personal choice and you have opted for it. So there you will go for ought to. 24th. Nothing dash be done under such circumstances. Nothing used to नहीं आ सकता. Have to भी नहीं आ सकता. Must be nothing. Must be no. Must भी नहीं आ सकता. So can. Nothing can be done under such circumstances. She dash not ask about it. अब ऐसे sentences में हम किसी को caution कर रहे, warning दे रहे. Whenever we are giving warning to anybody, we use the auxiliary verb dare, secondary auxiliary verb dare. So she dare not ask about it. 26th. Dash that I were an actor. Same concept. I और were एक साथ है. ऐसे cases में आप लगाओगे would. Would that I were an actor. 27th. Had you made one more effort, dash have won the race. अगर तुमने ऐसा किया होता तो ऐसा हुआ होता. Again such cases में आप would लगाते हो. So would have won the case. 28. I dash solve any sum. Here we are talking about the ability. और जब भी हम ability की बात करते हैं हम can लगाते हैं. I can solve any sum. I may नहीं आ सकता. I am definitely it cannot be there. Must तो आ ही नहीं सकता है. So I can solve any sum. Now we'll go for 29th. Dash I smoke here. Somebody is taking the permission. Somebody is seeking the permission. It has to be can. Can I smoke here? Can I smoke here? A option. It is a permission. Permission के साथ या तो can लगता है या may लगता है. So can I smoke here? 30th. The passengers dash keep watch on their luggage. Now it is an advice. Advice जब दिया जाता है तो हम लगाते हैं should. So the passengers should keep watch on their luggage. 31st. Work hard lest. अच्छा, अब ऐसे sentences जिनमें lest है. See, whenever we are having lest, they are always followed by should. Lest है तो should होगा sentence में. Work hard lest you should fail. Okay, lest is the action and should is the result. So work hard lest you should fail. 32nd. Dash I come in madam. Madam लगा दिया, it has become formal. Whenever we are talking about form, whenever we are taking permission in a formal way, we always use may. So may I come in madam. 33. It dash rain tonight. अब ऐसे केसेस में या तो लगता है may या तो लगता है might. Whenever we are talking about possibility, जब भी होने के chances के बारे में बात करते हैं, या तो may लगता है या तो लगता है might. Now in this case हमारे पास may है, हमारे पास might है ही नहीं. So it may rain tonight. Whenever we are talking about possibility, we use either may or might. You dash love your countrymen. Again, it is something inside you, something which you have learned from your surrounding. You ought to love your countrymen, no other option. 35. Dash you like some pastries. We are asking somebody in a very polite way. So here it has to be would. Would you like some pastries? Pastries, would is what? About future tense. Whenever we are taking permission the future tense, हम वहाँ पे would भी लगा सकते हैं. 36. You dash smoke here. Now it is an advice that you should not smoke here. You shall not भी नहीं आएगा, will not भी नहीं आएगा, would not भी नहीं. It should be you should not smoke here. This is an advice, this is a recommendation. आप जैसे भी लो, it has to be should not. 37. Dash I say more about it. It is need. See, need I say more about it. Generally हम किसी चीज़ पे stress जब देते, किसी necessity के बारे में बात करते, then we use the word need. So something which is necessary and something which is not necessary. So need I say more about it? Therefore the correct one is need. 38. You dash leave without my permission. वहाँ पे ये एक रूल दिया उसने, किसी को ऑर्डर दिया, किसी को कमांड दिया. Whenever we are giving command to anybody, there we use the word must. और क्योंकि सेंटेंस नेगेटिव में आएगा, so you must not leave without my permission. See, must is always used with rules, regulations, something which is to be followed, and if you will not follow, there would be penalty. 39. You dash pay full attention to your teacher. It is an advice. You should pay full attention to your teacher. ये advice है. Those students hardly listen to their students, but then yes, this is an advice. 40th. Dash that I were a billionaire. Same concept, I and word together, excuse me. I and word together. So here I and word together. So it is an imagination. Imagination is always used with would. So would that I were a billionaire. 41. Dash you like some biscuits. Here we are, it has to be would you like some biscuits. you're asking somebody, so either would or could, but could यहाँ पे नहीं है. Could you like some biscuits? No, it cannot be used here. It has to be would you like some biscuits. 42nd. Dash I open the door. We are not having can, we are not having may here. ऐसे cases में generally can या may use होता है. But since we are not having, so would I open the door? No, should. आप recommend कर रहे हो किसी को, सुझाव दे रहे हो कि क्या मैं door open कर दूँ. So should I open the door? 43. You dash do some jogging in the morning to maintain your figure. Advice है, किसी को advice दी जा रही है. Like we say ना, you should get up early in the morning. Follow करना नहीं करना, it is in your hands. But with advice we always use should. Now dash I go now, or would you like to give me some more instructions? Now instructions है, advice है, again it has to be should. So 43, it has to be 43, it has to be should. 43 we have done. You dash do some jogging in the morning, you should do some jogging. 44, I dash I go now, here also it has to be should. So should I go now, or would you like to give me some more instruction? Instruction is linked with advice, so here it has to be should. 45th, we have two blanks here. Dash you come across the stale bread, you must ring me up. I dash try to ascertain who's not working honestly in my company. Here in the second blank, if I talk about I dash try to ascertain, assert means in the future tense, या तो आप यहाँ पे will आएगा, या shall आएगा, या would आएगा. Now if you look into the options, will, shall, would में से एक आना चाहिए second blank में. So A and B we cannot use here. Either it should be C or D. Now look into the blank. You dash you come across. Could you come across? No. Should you come across? Yes. So it has to be D. Should you come across stale bread? I hope you understood कि किस तरीके से आपको लिंक करना है. We could make out the second blank, but first वाले में हमें थोड़ा सा confusion था. But when we could rule out A and B, C और D में से it has to be should you come across stale bread, you must ring me up. I dash try, I would try to ascertain who's not working honestly. 46. You dash drive slow because there's a school ahead. Must है नहीं यहाँ पे, so हमारे पास should ही आता है. You should drive slow, it is again an advice, so you should drive slow because there is a school ahead. 47. I dash like to check your blood pressure, and once again I advise you to reduce the intake of salt. A sentence in the future tense कि मैं आपका blood pressure check करना चाहूँगा. So here it has to be either will, shall or would. We are not having will. Shall cannot be used here, so it has to be would. I would like to check your blood pressure because there is a certainty. इसलिए हमने shall नहीं लगाया, हमने would लगाया. Next 48. I dash not tell him about if I were you. Same thing. If I were, I और were इकट्ठा आया, आप यहाँ पे would लगाओगे. So 48 it has to be would. I would not tell him about it if I were you. 49. Dash you mind not drinking here. It is a hospital. Polite request की जा रही है that would you not mind? Wait. Yes. Would you mind not drinking here? It is a hospital. Polite request के साथ हम would भी लगाते हैं, could you भी लगाते हैं. Here it has to be would. Last, what dash he say to you if you didn't obey him? What dash he say to you if you didn't obey him? What would he say? Should cannot be used here. What shall he say? No. What will he say? No. What would he say? What would he say to you if you didn't obey him? So it has to be would. Thank you, students. We have used the most common modals. We have not used all of them. These 50 MCQs will definitely and surely help you in your exam. Post your comments. Waiting eagerly for them. Thank you so much.